Welcome to the vlog. Hey! What up, y'all? Welcome back to Moto Vlog 3. Out at the track today, Cow Branch. It's a beautiful Saturday. We got all three bikes looking dope. Check it out. Got Brian's Husky looking fresh. The Honda's back in the game today. Can you believe that? No more cracked cases. Oh, Jagger's crying like normal. What do you know? We got Jam 24's Yamaha. Dude, the front brakes work awesome on this bike. Tell you what. How good do the front brakes work on your bike, Melvin?
Dude, money, dialed in. Perfect.
Perfect. Brian, what are you doing?
Getting rid of some arm pump, trying to.
Yeah?
3 weeks of no riding.
That 4 Armstrong. Shout out to your boy Adam Baker.
Yep, puppy.
Got a Moto pup. What's up, Moto pup?
Yeah, puppy.
Alright guys, either way, we've been out on the track today. The track is mint right now. They did a great job prepping today. Cow Branch. It's in Macclesfield, North Carolina. You guys should definitely hit it up. Oh, by the way, forgot to show you guys. I shaved my head for Bald Men Awareness Month. Brian, show them what's up.
I'm always bald. You'll have
Show
to take
'em.
it off.
Oh, Bald Head Awareness Month. Oh, man. It's because Melton's young. He's the only one here under the age of 25. Also, we got Greg
What's
here
up,
from
man?
Maryland.
Yep.
Made it down. Greg, what's your YouTube name?
That's a good question.
Greg Asher.
413 probably?
I don't know. I'll find the link. I'll put it below. Go subscribe to him. He has some really funny videos.
Yeah.
Also, I forgot to tell you guys.
Trash can races. Trash can races on Greg's video.
We put new graphics on Brian's bike.
Does look
I'm gonna go ahead and cut to that real quick, and you can take a peek of it. Alright guys, little update. We had an injury on the track. 24. What happened?
Dislocated my shoulder, dude.
Dude, he was giving it his all. He was training.
Pushing myself.
And he got caught up in the rut, man. We got Jagger killing it on the bike today.
Help!
Jagger, how fast can you go on a bike?
Okay.
Say super fast. Say super fast.
Dude, Cow Ranch has such good dirt. Like, check it out when it forms. Just be on there.
Bye-bye.
Little clay mix. Always makes your tires look good.
Next the road.
Jam's bike. She's seen better days. But those number backgrounds and the black plastics, definitely an improvement on that bike. Let's do a little flashback. Honda. Still got new number plates for the Honda. Gonna have to put those on soon too. And the old Steezy TC. Appreciate all you guys watching. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe down below. See that 904 Films link? Click it. We'll see what's up. Brian's about to rip the old Honda. I'm gonna take the Husky for a few laps. Oh, that clutch hit my finger. How was the track today?
Track was epic. Ripped the whole time.
Yeah. How's the track today, Milton?
Money. Ruts were deep.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it's good.
Good times were had.
The track was awesome today. Cow Ranch always does a really good job of prepping the track. Now we're gonna go home, get down with Supercross from San Diego.
Woo!
It's gonna be a heck of a race.
Butter!
As always, guys, subscribe to the channel. Keep it on two wheels. Appreciate the love.